So today we're going to be doing holographic makeup. So I'm basically going to pin back my hair and put on some primer, and we're going to use a face mask for this. So I'm really nervous, but I'm excited. So we're going to draw a quick outline down my neck because I don't want it going like all the way down my chest. But basically what we're going to do is draw like little drips. Just like this. Just like that. Put a little bit more room right on this one. Lovely. Just like that. That way it looks like it's kind of dripping down. And in fact, let's do another one where there's like kind of a drip right here. So it looks like it kind of is really dripping down. All right, so I'm gonna add some right into here, and I'm gonna use a paintbrush to apply it. Let's get to work. I want to get lots on the brush, that's for sure. Okay, let's just get right into this. I'm thinking I should probably start down at the neck. Let's start down at the neck. The worst part for me is I do have like a lot of baby hair, so this might really hurt to take off, but whatever. Beauty is pain. Definitely gonna hurt to take off. Alright, we're doing good. Because this has to dry before I can even put anything on it. Now we gotta make sure to get the little glob that's going down. Once it gets up on my face, the more and more I'm gonna have to be able to talk less, so just be aware of that. Sun's just stomping up a storm. Little pooper. And now it's drying time. Unfortunately, my fan is broken, but we're still gonna use it, so just hold it together for dear life. I'm not going to close my eyes while I do this so that my top lashes don't get stuck, because that is a real possibility. I will see you when this is dry. So this is the glitter that we're going to add. It's holographic glitter, so I'm just going to like add it onto my face. I'm not going to try and talk too much, so just be aware of that for the rest of the video. So let's do a little spot test. Oh yeah, that looks good. Very cool. Very cool. We're going to do that to the rest of everything. It's going to take a lot of patience. Alright, I'm going to let some areas dry down, and anywhere that I feel is dry enough, that's where I'll add some glitter right now. There's going to be so much glitter everywhere is when I'm done this look. Unfortunately, a lot's just going to go to waste, which just sucks, but that's okay. It's looking so cool though. I'm such a mess. Alright, I got the base down, but I'm in a darn mess, let me tell you about it. I'm gonna have glitter everywhere for a long time. Reattach any part that's lifting with some eyelash glue and just help keep it in the spot that I want it to be. Basically any part that's not supposed to have sparkles is gonna get wiped off right now, so talk about an exfoliant. Now I'm just gonna clear up my chest with some foundation. I don't really think you need to see that, but yeah, I'm just gonna outline everything with some foundation so it looks a little bit more better? I don't know. Now that that's done, I'm just going to outline the bottom bit a little bit with the black, not a lot, so basically just like that. So now for the eyeshadow, we're using our You Can Be palette, and I kind of have like a holographic one here. We're going to go in with our finger and just put it right over our eye. As you can see, it's perfect, and I'm going to literally fill my entire eye in with it. For the eyebrows, they're going to be dark, thick, and just filled in with a black eyeliner. Lips, outline it with the black liner. Now use this eyeshadow on your lips. Now I'm going to do some finishing touches and I'll show you the final result. And this is the final look. I can barely speak. But yeah, you need to go watch some transitions. I like it. It's definitely not my favorite look, but I like it. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye!